Today's episode is for those moms who feel super overwhelmed, stretched way too thin, and just feel like your head is spinning. Does that sound like you? No worries, okay? I got you. Today I'm going to teach you step by step how to beat the overwhelm, how to stop that spinning and just actually feel in control of your thoughts, okay? Stay tuned. Hey ladies, Lacey Busse here. I am a busy working mom. I've got 2 kids and I created Working Moms Reduce Stress because I love teaching other moms how to alleviate stress, how to slow down and just enjoy your time with your family and carve out time for yourself. So, if you want to feel less stressed, have more mental energy, and just feel that fog be lifted from your brain, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click that bell for notifications because I have so many tips and tricks that you are not going to want to miss. All right? Let's jump into today's episode. Okay, so as you guys know, I always like to start out with just a quick why, right? Why is this topic going to help you? How is it going to help you reduce stress? Well, I know for me, when I feel super overwhelmed, I can't focus on anything. I've got umpteen million things flying around in my head. And when I can't focus on something, I feel really stressed out. If I can organize my thoughts and actually focus on one thing at a time, my stress level just plummets. It just goes down like crazy and it feels so much better. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to organize your thoughts because I know, at least for me, I'm like, okay, I could, write out a to-do list, but even just trying to write that to-do list, it's overwhelming to me, right? So we're going to go through a couple of steps in order to get you there. Okay, so step number 1 is to grab a blank sheet of paper and a fun colored pen. Okay, if you like black pens, that's fine. I am totally a color girl. I actually have these Pilot, I don't know if it's called Friction. I'm not really sure how to say it, but they are erasable pens. Oh, they are amazing. These and Papermate Flare, totally my favorite. Anyways, that's totally a side note, but grab a fun colored pen and that way you can just get in the groove, okay? So you've got your blank sheet of paper, you've got your pen. Next step is to just do a massive brain dump, okay? So I thought that phrase was really weird when I first heard it, but it is. You are literally taking everything that is in your head, just writing it down, okay? Don't worry about it being organized at all at this point in time, okay? Just write it all out, whether it be groceries that you need or, thoughts that, gosh, I feel like I'm failing at this, or like, woohoo, I did that, but crap, that means that I need to do this, this, and this. Okay, whatever it is in your head, write it down, okay? Once you have it written down, then you can actually go back and start to organize all of those thoughts, okay? So if you have it written down that, oh, I need to get bananas over here and then I need to get milk over here, I didn't want you to organize before, right? So it's going to be a really scattered sheet of paper. So you can then go into the organization phase and write down grocery list, and actually pull all of those little thoughts and everything from your brain dump list onto your grocery list. You also will probably want to make a to-do list from this. Next week, I have an amazing episode all lined up for you with to-do list tips, okay? I am the queen of putting 14 million things on my to-do list, and then I only get 13 million done, and I feel like crap about myself. Yeah, I'm sure you could probably relate to that. So stay tuned for next week. Make sure that you hit subscribe, click that bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on that video. Okay? Now, lastly, I have the most amazing freebie for you guys. Usually what I love to do is a PDF worksheet that helps you to actually implement what I teach you in these weekly videos. However, today I have an extra special freebie for you, okay? So go to laceybusse.com/mom for download. Okay, so that is the number 4. In there, I have prepared a priorities mini workshop for you. Okay? When you are creating your to-do list, I know it's oftentimes really hard to try to prioritize, try to figure out what to do first, and not only tasks, but then assess them against what are your values in your life? What do you actually want to make time for? And what can just fall to the wayside? Now that you have done your brain dump, it's out of your brain. Like, you don't have to think about it anymore. And you can look at that list and cross stuff off forever. Like, if it's something that is bugging you and you think that you need to do it, but once it's on that sheet of paper, you're like, you know what? I don't have to do that. It's really not all that important. It's really helpful. So grab that mini workshop, sign up for it. It is completely free. It's a 3-part workshop that you are going to gain so much value, so much clarity from it. It's really, really going to help you to decrease your stress, because when you live in alignment with your priorities, it feels amazing. Okay? So go to laceybusse.com/mom4 download. Okay? Go do it. Sign up for it. I'm so excited to see you in there. And also, friends who care share, right? Share this video with other stressed out moms. We all need as much help as we can get. And I want to reach as many people as I can because I really, really want to help you guys reduce stress. Okay? All right. I will see you on the next video. For now, have a good day. Bye, guys.